All right, here's just a little bit better demonstration of actually what is going on with this OEM radio and these clips and how they work. Once you slide the radio in, these will slide in, and until they get to that point, there's a cutout in here. Yeah, right here. It's not gonna focus, is it? Yeah, it's not really gonna focus, but yeah, as soon as it gets past this part right here, it'll flip out, and it'll act as like a holder or retainer. So what this pick, come on, focus, is actually doing, if I can get it to, you slide that in there. That's why it's better to have the ones with the hooks. All you are doing is pulling that retainer in. As you can see, now it's super flush, and it's not coming out. I mean, it's coming out. Nothing holding it back. And yeah, you do that on both sides. That's how that works. So yeah. Next thing is to remove this radio. If you still have the factory one, you got these little slots right here and right here, which they make a key for just a general set of keys to get these out, which is similar and similarly shaped to this. But if you're like me and you don't have those keys, very easy. Just need 2 fingernail files, pretty thin. It helps if you have the hooks on the end, but if not, no big deal. Now this can be a little tricky, and patience is the key here. But what you'll want to do is you want to kind of go in there first, and you'll go in at an angle. Like for this one, have the tip facing outward, so when I put it in there, I'll go just like that, and then I kind of feel it stop right there. Hear that clicking? Oh, missed it. It's very easy to miss it. It's right on the edge. But yeah, that's all you gotta do. You gotta do that for both sides at the same time, which can be pretty tricky. So what I did was I got a friend to help. So when I got this one on it and pushed it, oh, there it was right there. It's right on the edge. You'll definitely feel it. Yeah, there it is right there. Just be careful not to shove this all the way down in there. It's not that far. It's let's see. And you'll feel the little spring tension. See how it's, yeah, I'm right there on it. So let's see. It's about that far in there. But yeah, get a friend once you get it on it. If I can get on it again. But you'll get a friend and they'll hold that one. Then you'll do this one. And once you do that, you'll keep outward pressure on both of them and just pull straight out. That's all there is to it. No fancy tools. But now keep in mind, these they could potentially, it really didn't damage my paint too much or the trim. That was already like, that little piece right there is already there. But yeah, it really didn't damage them too much. This just simply slides out. There will be a wiring harness on the back, which I will disconnect, and the antenna right there. We'll disconnect those two, and yeah. So I'll do that now.